Let me show you how to create this in Photoshop. Create your canvas size with these settings. Change the background color from white and write your text. This is the font I am using. Highlight the text and press Ctrl T to bring out some properties. Now drag and drop the image you want to use. I removed the background already. Convert to Smart Object and press Ctrl T to scale and adjust. Create a clipping mask and press Ctrl J to make a duplicate. Hold Alt and click on that to create an inverted mask. Choose the mask thumbnail and move over to your brush tool. Make sure it is a hard round brush and change the foreground color to white and brush neatly. Choose the text layer and create a gradient color adjustment layer. And follow this process. Choose the image layer and create a drop shadow.